Hey there, savvy spenders. If you're a proud owner of the Citi Strata card, you're already on your way to smarter financial habits. But do you know how to keep a close eye on your spending to avoid surprises at the end of the month? In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to track your spending effectively. Let's dive right in. First things first, the easiest way to monitor your Citi Strata card is through the Citi Mobile app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head to your app store, search for Citi Mobile, and install it for free. Once it's set up, log in with your username and password. Don't worry, it's the same credentials you use for online banking. Now that you're in, navigate to the dashboard. You'll see a clear overview of your recent transactions, categorized by things like groceries, dining, or travel. This makes it super easy to spot where your money is going. For a deeper dive, tap on the Transactions tab to view a detailed history. You can even filter by date, amount, or merchant to get exactly what you need. To take it up a notch, set up spending limits and alerts. Go to the Budgets section in the app and create custom categories with monthly limits. The app will notify you via push notifications if you're approaching or exceeding your budget. It's like having a personal financial coach in your pocket. One more pro tip. Regularly review your statements on the Citi website for a full picture. Just log in at Citi.com, head to the Accounts page, and download your PDF statements. This habit can help you identify any unauthorized charges quickly. Tracking your spending doesn't have to be overwhelming. With these tools, you'll be in control in no time. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. What's your favorite feature of the Citi Strata card? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.